The carburetor uses several principles that make sure that it can work. And so I'm going to review these principles in this part 1 of the principles of carburation. So the first principle is called atomization. Atomization is the process of breaking up a liquid into tiny particles or droplets. And so we go back to the purpose of the carburetor. It says that the purpose is to change from a liquid to a vapor, and that's called atomization. And that's what we're going to do within the carburetor, and we'll explain that in a little while. The next principle is called atmospheric pressure. We need to understand what atmospheric pressure is. And that is the force per unit area exerted against a surface by the weight of air above that surface in the Earth's atmosphere. You can see our cat here. He's feeling seems rather high today. In other words, the atmospheric pressure is pushing down on him. We usually classify atmospheric pressure with the units pounds per square inch. So we have a certain amount of pressure pushing down per square inch of this cat. That pressure is in all directions all the time down, and it gives us a place to have a pressure differential. And that's what our next one is, pressure differential. Pressure differential is the difference between two pressure measurements. We have pressure on one side, we have a certain pressure on the other. That causes air to move and things to collapse or fuel to be drawn up in many different ways, and that is pressure differential.